Hello, Alauddin here from Meribook. In this video, I'd like to show you a quick overview of the application and how it is structured so you can jump in and start using it right away. So when you log in, you're going to be taken to the My Book section and it will be empty. So initially, since you have no content, you're not going to see any books created here. But it's really easy to just add a new book, give it a title, chapter title, and then a section is where the content goes in. So that would just walk you through once you click on that add book. Now, if you don't want to do all of that and you want a note without any structure to it, what you can do is just click on the add note option there. And that will take you to the note-taking solution where you're adding content without any structure. Once the content is added, if you wanted to, you can move it into a proper book if need be. Now, the next areas within this application are all related to how you share and collaborate. So share option is when you know a person's email and you want to invite them to either view, edit, or manage. So those are the three options that are available when we want to invite a user. You can edit, they can edit whatever is already there, or they can manage where they can add new chapters or they can add new sections. So that is the sharing option, or where you're actually inviting. The next type of sharing is where you actually share a link. So the person doesn't have to have a Meribook account. They can be on your website and you can just say, here's the link, and you can view the content here. So you'll see that the shared links are provided at a very granular level. If you wanted to share the whole book, you can share the whole book. If you just wanted to share a chapter and only 2 sections within that chapter, you can do that. There are other videos that I'll have that will go into that, but for now, just know that share link is where you can either share a link or you can actually even embed within your website. So those are your 2 main types of sharing, where you're inviting and where you are sending them a link or embedding the content. The unique piece of Meribook is the campaign feature. So we're creating a platform where you can create the content and you can promote the content. So think of it as your lead magnet content that you created, and now you want to invite users to sign up to that lead magnet, and that is the campaign feature. So once you create a campaign, you can either integrate it with a form from within the application, or you can integrate it with your MailChimp or any tool that you're using that we have integrations with. So that is the campaign feature. The next option is shared with me. So shared with me goes back to the shares. So when you are the book owner, you share. When you're inviting somebody, then I find those books in shared with me option. So that's pretty straightforward. Here I am a Jazzy Marketing user, and Alauddin here is the owner of this book, and they've invited me to view this book. So that's the shared with me. The next option is my subscription. So again, the campaign and my subscription are the 2 pieces. Campaign is where I actually own the book and I am building a list and adding users to my campaign. My subscription is when I've actually signed up to other people's campaign. So under my subscription, these are the 2 books that I've signed up for. The other 2 are pretty straightforward: activity and archive. Activity just shows you the last updated, and then the archive page is when you remove a section, it goes into archive, and then from archive you can go delete. So it's not possible for you to delete something right from the book interface. It goes into archive. It's just the flow is set up so that you're not deleting something by accident. Okay, that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. In our next video, we'll cover these main sections in more details. All right, thank you.